Nilight Motorcycle LED. The Nilight Motorcycle LED is a high-quality lighting solution designed for various vehicles, including ATVs, motorcycles, SUVs, trucks, and tractors. With its exceptional features and durable construction, this product guarantees enhanced visibility and safety on the road. One notable feature of the Nilight Motorcycle LED is its waterproof design, ensuring reliable performance even in adverse weather conditions. This feature makes it an ideal choice for riders who frequently encounter rain or ride in humid environments. The product includes two white LED lights, which can be used as either headlights or fog lights. The clear polycarbonate lens material allows for optimal light transmission, ensuring maximum brightness and clarity. This lens material is also known for its durability, making the Nilight Motorcycle LED resistant to external impacts and scratches. The installation process is straightforward and the lights can be easily mounted. One notable feature of the Nilight Motorcycle LED is its waterproof design, ensuring reliable performance even in adverse weather conditions.